Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukascopy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 28th of September 2023. Guys, I hope that you know me already, but if you don't know me, let me give you a quick introduction about myself. I'm a Dukascopy's trading community member. My name is Rakesh, and please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukascopy Bank. I'm not their employee. Therefore, everything that I say in this live stream is my own opinion or the trading idea. It has nothing to do with the Dukascopy. In this live stream, in some time, we will be discussing the price action. And by using that price action, we will find out what are the very important levels or the confluence of the supports and resistances, or maybe some swing tops and bottoms that we think are very important for the price in the coming time. Today is Thursday, tomorrow is the last day of trading, so we still have time. Usually Fridays and Thursdays are the busiest days because there are a lot of expiries going on here. But we'll not talk about the fundamentals, and we'll only see what is happening on the chart. So as a technical analyst, we know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. So we'll not talk about anything fundamental in nature. And for our analysis, we'll only follow the candlestick type of charts. By using the candlestick type of charts, we will find out what are the key levels of importance, and then we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading. At the end of the sessions, I will answer all the questions from my dear viewers. And please, I encourage you to ask as many questions as you like in the chat box that is provided in the live stream. Lastly, everything I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge. Please do your research before you put your hard-earned money on the line in the live market. So the idea is to say that if you're using my trades as paper trades, then it's fine. These live streams are not trading advices. Understand how we are trading or get a hang of the thing, and when you're comfortable, you can use these ideas, not the trading advices, but the ideas on how to find the trade, how to set up a trade to your advantage. But then it will be your discretion to do that. Okay? So before I take you to the charts, let me take you through the standard risk disclaimer. All right, let's have a look at the first chart of the day, that is the US dollar index. This is the daily chart of the US dollar. You can see that the price is very convincingly closed here above this important price level of 105.85, and now we are expecting this level to act as a good support for the price. So you see what happened on intraday in this. The price which had already given higher close, it came down to this level, traded for some time below that, but then was bought back immediately, and now is trading above our crucial level of 105.85. So 105.85 still is a good support level, and the resistance is still at around 107.12 in this market. Euro against the dollar has seen some pullback today. The price was able to go higher than yesterday's high, but could not manage to stay there. Right now it is trading at 1.0560. This price is expected to rise further, but I'll be looking for a sell-off again at around 1.0635 area, which is also the confluence of two resistances. One is this 1.0635 previous support area, and the second one is this falling channels resistance area. So if you find the price here somewhere, then look for the price to go like this. this is possible. Okay. GBP USD on the contrary is now rising, and it is trying to give us a what you call this, where you have left higher low to the left and higher low to the right, so you call it a swing low. It will be qualified as a swing low if the price in tomorrow's candle is able to go higher than the high of this candle. If that happens, then it becomes a swing low, and the price will continue further towards 1.2307. So if you want to take a risk, you can take it, but that is not recommended from my side, because I say if there is a pullback, wait for the pullback to get over and then look for a selling position here, where you have a confluence of two resistances. One is this horizontal. So this is a very crucial area to go short, right? So my point here is that expect for a sell-off at this area, or maybe this area around 1.2307, or maybe around 1.2368. So whichever side the price starts falling, on whichever place the price starts falling, you want to enter that sell again at that level. Right now on the green candle, do not sell this market, but look for a support around 1.2193 and the resistance around 1.2307. Australian dollar today was very actually aggressive. You can say yesterday went back below this level of 0.6356. I told you yesterday also that when the price drops from here, it will find support here, because we draw this channel day before yesterday or yesterday with the hope that the price will go back to this channel's high. So that is exactly what is happening today. You see all other pairs, okay, everything is good. So here you can expect some move higher, at least to the level of this channel which is falling, and you can now remove this because it is of no use, and you can also remove this actually. Okay, so when the price starts rising from here, first thing that it will encounter is this falling channel, then it will encounter this falling channel, and then it will encounter the horizontal. So there are three resistances for the price to surpass here. But if the price starts trading above 0.6521, then look for some higher prices. I think it can even extend towards 0.6616. But right now, for today and tomorrow, we have support around 0.6416, and we have a resistance around 0.6521. On the way, there will be a dynamic resistance being provided by this falling channels resistance area. Now is the USD JPY. It looks like there is an inside bar. Buyers are reluctant in buying the US dollar against the yen at such higher prices. Although we know that the resistance is at around 151.94. So maybe something like this can happen here, where you see that there is some profit booking, and then again the buying back with the targets of 151.94 in the coming time. On the lower side, 147.31 is the support for this market. US dollar against the Canadian won is giving us a doji on the daily chart. That means that it is not decided which direction they want to take the market. So when that thing happens, I tend to say that stay away from such markets where their direction is not clear. So I would like to stay away from the US dollar against the Canadian one, or you call it loony with love. Dollar against Swiss franc has hit the resistance already. After hitting the resistance, it has again hit the previous highs, which are expected to act as support. So the range of the candle is almost equal to the highs and lows. From here, if the price starts falling, then 0.9109 may act as a good support, but I am expecting the price to rise even further to this level, where if the price comes, I will be looking to buy this market with the target here on the upside. I'm very much willing to buy this market, but only when it hits 9016. Silver is doing very good. Yesterday it hit that support area. Today there is an inside bar, almost inside bar, although the price has seen the lower low than the yesterday's candle, but the volumes are shrinking. The US dollar rising, then this silver is bound to fall So maybe after some consolidation here, you can see a move lower than 22.21. But I'll not be looking for any buying of this market right now, because this is a consolidation. I would let that pattern to get cleared and then only look for something in the silver. Right now, I don't see any potential in the silver. Similar is the case of gold, because it has already hit the target. So I am not looking to sell this market right now. Yesterday we were willing to sell this market, but today we are not willing to sell this market, because this 1858 is a very crucial support now. Where you see, this was the high that the price had broken, and the price never came back to 1858. Now after so long, the price has finally come to this level. So don't you think that it will be another opportunity for these buyers to go long here? So maybe, but I don't think that we will be selling this market here. But yes, if the price comes back to 1884 area, where the sellers may join this bandwagon again, then I'll be very happy to sell this market again at that level. Right now, I don't want to sell this market because it has already hit the zone where I will be looking to book my profits if I'm short already in this market. If Brent, we were expecting Brent to act as this level to act as a support for Brent, but it is not happening. That means the sellers are very aggressive here, or maybe only for 1 hour they'll be aggressive. So, but let's see what happens at the end of the day. If at the end of the day you see that the price has gone below the low of yesterday, then expect this 89.28 again in this market. On the contrary, if the price starts rising, then 96.92 is the resistance. Okay, Bitcoin, finally there is some buying, and the price is trying to go beyond this falling channel's resistance area. Once it closes higher, then the price can touch 28,106 and even 31,780. So let's see how the things unfold. But right now the price is trading outside this channel, which is a good indication for the bulls. Ethereum is also trading outside the falling channel's resistance line. So once it closes higher than that, then 1742 will be exposed in this market. Trading above 1742 will expose 2026. So let's see how the things unfold. But from this price action, both of the markets of Bitcoin as well as of the Ethereums are looking good. When I talk about euro against the Australian dollar, I was expecting some support here and then finally come back to this rising channel support line, but it is happening today only. The price is giving us a bearish pin bar, as well as it is trading below the crucial support of 1.6454. So if it gives a close below this, then this level will start acting as a resistance, and we will be very happy to sell that market there. So like I can show you here, if the price closes below, then expect this level to act as a good resistance, and then you can sell with the low targets like 1.6222. Okay, Audi New Zealand went lower than 0.610718, and then this level started acting as a support. Now the resistance is 1.0779 and the support is 1.0718. Nothing else on this one. GBP Audi, we are sellers in this market with a longer time frame. 1.8850 is the support that we are looking in this market, resistance being 1.9285 still. Talking about USA 30, USA 30 is trading below 33597. 33597. Okay, this was a crucial support for us, and the price has given us a close below that. That is an indication that any high or any bounce back on this should be seen as an opportunity to go short in this market. 34024 is the resistance now. So if the price goes here, you should be looking at it as a selling opportunity, and the targets being 32,634 on the downside. At CHF, exactly going with the line that we were looking for. Okay, I'll show you what it is actually. On the daily, you can see that there is a cup and handle formation, and we were expecting this formation to come true. So now the price will be going lower. 0.6730 is the crucial support from where we are expecting a rise further and then a breakout finally like this. Okay, so the resistance is 0.6831. The support is 0.6730 in this market. Keep an eye on these two levels. GBP CAD pound is giving us a bullish engulfing today, but that is not at any support area. So expect this push to the upside to be targeted soon with the target of 1.6238. Expect a sell off around 1.6588 again, which is a crucial resistance in this market. USA Tech, which is Nasdaq, has found this support around 14,549, has given us a swing low here. This is a valid swing low. Any rise tomorrow above the high of this candle will open the way to the upside. 15,138 is where I'm expecting some resistance, some good resistance. See, in the past it has been a good resistance. This area also is a resistance. So if the price lines up with this, expect something like this to happen tomorrow or maybe next week. This can happen. Also, in that case, this channel will be like this. Okay, so keep an eye on these two levels. JPY, we were bullish on this one. Yesterday there was a lot of sell off from the today there was a lot of sell off. Today again the Australian dollar is rising against the US dollar, inching towards 96.06. Once it starts trading above that level, then 96.82 will be exposed. Above 96.82 we have high target. So in the longer run we have a bias which is bullish, and we are expecting 97.67 at least in this market. Euro GBP, in the longer run we don't know, but right now the price is trying to go higher. You see that in the daily it has seen both the sides, even bottom and top today. So to the bottom, 86.30 was the bottom. On the upside it was 86.66. the price has almost reached at the level, and now we are expecting up move, but I think this should act as a resistance again, 0.8666. If it doesn't act as a resistance, then 8702 will be the level for which we can target. Okay, right now the price is trading above the support zone of 0.8630 and below the resistance of 0.8666. If the price keeps on rising from here, 8666 should act as a good resistance in my opinion. Last is GBP JPY. Those who fail to buy this market, they may be sorry, but it's okay. You don't get always everything, but see, this market has been selling off from 183.48. till the time the price doesn't go beyond 183.48, you cannot be comfortable in buying this market. Okay, so even now I will say look for a selling opportunity. If you can get below 183.48, you may be getting another selling opportunity to go short in this market, which can result in the price going towards 176.42. that is what is my opinion. Right now for you the resistance is 183.48 and support should be 180.72 in this market. So guys, keep an eye on these, and if you have any questions you can ask me in the chat box that is provided. I will be very happy to answer that. Until now, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. My request to you is that keep in mind to only risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade, and for that you should be looking for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.